Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Smoky Mountain RC. Guys are out here at a flying field. My first time ever flying at a flying field, guys. It is nice and sweet. Look what a beautiful day, and you got the beautiful Cumberland Mountains in the background. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. So my maiden flight at the flying field, we're going to do the Cessna. What better plane, guys? So without further ado, guys, let's get her up and make sure everything's working right. Oh yeah. All right, guys. Here we go. Here we go.
Even when someone hands him over an airplane that's not set up properly, like
I'm going to use the runway, guys.
ailerons or flight surfaces reversed.
All right, guys. Here we go. Here we go.
But I have a very acrobatic plane I bought, the 540 Edge by Fms. Beautiful plane and stuff, and the engine I have in it,
Awesome, guys.
low end.
Nice just to fly around and have a nice wide open spot, guys. That is sweet.
In the nose, the vanity balance, and that thing, the first time I flew it, I had it.
It's just a touch and go right off the bat, guys. Oh yeah, just getting a feel for it, guys. Just getting a feel for it.
So then when Mike Foley picked it up, and I had him test fly it.
Oh yeah.
Surprised you got this down on the ground in one piece. I was having trouble. I had to, yeah, you had to be.
Sweet, 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 guys. Awesome, awesome. And we're going to be doing grass hops with the J10, guys. It'll be the world's first 6S grass hops. There was a guy did 6S or grass hops with the J10. He said the world's first J10, but he was doing the 8S version, guys. So yeah, that's so we're gonna have the we'll have the world's first 6S grass hop, guys. Hopefully, so. Oh yeah, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's do some grass hops, guys, with this one. Let's see how it does in grass. Not bad, guys. Not bad at all. It does it pretty good. Yep, yep.
Watch out for ticks here, even in this cut grass.
Right.
They
And that's the safety coordinator up there, guys. Safety coordinator. I think his name was Jeff. Maybe I can't. I'm bad with names, guys, so I apologize. Sweet, guys. Not hardly any wind or nothing. Got a nice windsock. Yeah, guys, this might be a new home place. Maybe I like it here. If they'll have me. If they'll have me.
So where are you all from?
Jacksboro, La Follette.
The Follies?
Yeah, Campbell County. Yeah, yeah.
I'm out from Scott County. Maryville? Caryville. Oh, that's up towards La Follette.
Yeah, it's in Campbell County too. Yeah.
I'm worried that it's doing snaps since this battery's gonna swing out.
That's why.
There's House Mountains by you guys.
Yeah, yeah.
And their club dues are really expensive.
That's what I was telling them. It's $150.
Nice, guys. Nice. Let's do us a touch and go this way, guys. And guys, I also upgraded the ESC in here. I went ahead and put a 60 amp Avian in it, so now we have full telemetry and we have all that good stuff, guys. So yeah. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, guys, I like it. I do. Especially a different place to fly. Let's do us another touch and go in the grass, guys. Come back and do it the other way.
And the runway is
Bounce. Bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Alright guys, we're going to go into safe, go into flaps, slow it down a minute. I'm just doing that so I can check the battery, guys. Just doing that to check the battery. Yeah, we got a little bit left, guys. We got a little bit left.
What's weird is their light sensors, they have them pointed towards the people sitting in the covered area. So if the prop comes off or breaks and gets into the crowd, they don't point them away. Yeah, so
See, I've got some friends over there. I'm trying to get safe to come on there.
30 seconds.
13 seconds, guys. So just another touch and go. We'll do it with takeoff flaps.
I know I-75.
We'll do it in the grass. Awesome, guys. Let's go up just at a stall turn. Sorry about the sun, guys. I like it here, guys. I really do. It's pretty nice. Good and wide open. Got wide open spot.
10, 9.
Alright guys, there's the timer, so let's bring her in for a landing. Do us a nice little stall landing maybe with a Cessna. Awesome, guys.
6, 5, 4.
There comes the timer. We'll bring it over here and we'll check the
3, 2, 1.
we'll check the battery. We'll show you what the battery is. Throttle cut on it, tested. Alright, go down to 14.8 volts, so it's about right on track. So anyway guys, hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all enjoyed the new field, guys. Hopefully we might make this a home field maybe. So don't hit that like, share, and subscribe button, guys. Sure we appreciate it. Till we do it again, say fine and God bless, and bye bye bye. Beautiful place. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.